Hi, and welcome in to the Get More Sales free masterclass, where you're going to discover how to get more sales without feeling pushy. And you're also going to be able to master, or at least get started on how you can master the four core principles, the four core shifts, so that way you can close with confidence and finesse. You want to be smooth with it, you want it to be effortless, right? And free flowing. So if you're just joining, we've never met before. My name is Tammy Renee. I'm known for being a no-fluff, high-performance sales coach. I give it to you straight, no fluff. We get your results and you make more money. So I'm sure you can agree that that sounds like a pretty darn good deal. And if you're here, it's because you want to get more sales, plain and simple. So we are going to increase your confidence. We are going to build an unstoppable business. If you are an entrepreneur, I do not gatekeep. I give everything to you that I've learned, that I've paid for, that I've implemented, and that what works. And so welcome in to the Get More Sales free master class. Now, for the next 20 to 30 minutes, you're going to get a glimpse of the same blueprint that helped me sell over $30 million in sales across 6 industries, everything from owning plus size brick and mortar stores to having the top plus size shopping show live on Facebook back in 2016, 2017. Also door-to-door sales, multi-level marketing, you name it, I've done it. And I have put together everything that has worked and the core principles that have helped me get there. So I can promise you this is the end of awkward conversations. If you avoid making those outbound sales calls, you don't have to worry about being someone that you're not, most importantly. So you don't have to fake the funk. I mean, I don't know about you, but I just can't fake it. I'm too real. If I don't want to work with you, I just can't work with you. If I don't like you, I just don't like you. If I'm not feeling the vibe, and I'm a positive person. So if I'm not feeling it, something's array. And so I want you to feel that positive energy in coming into this space, because energy is everything in sales. It's not some kind of woo-woo. It is true. Energy is everything in sales. And so I want you to know that what I'm about to reveal to you, you too can apply to getting more sales, but also you can experience all the joys that making more sales can bring you, right? It's not more money, more problems. It's more money, more opportunities. And so the gems I'm dropping today are what my clients pay me tens of thousands of dollars for inside my high performance coaching programs. And you get access to this absolutely free. So let me start off by saying, I know exactly what it's like to wear all the hats in the business. I did it by myself for over 3 decades. And I'm here to give you the shortcut, the fast pass right to the front of the line in the world of sales and entrepreneurship. So that way you don't have to spend tens of thousands, hundreds of thousands of dollars in my case, and irreplaceable time trying to figure things out on your own. So let's bring in this big money energy and let's get started with pillar number 1. Welcome to the Get More Sales Masterclass.